The historic cleanup of the former Oak Ridge gaseous diffusion plant continues getting accolades. The team overseeing the Vision 2020 project was just awarded the Secretary of Energy's Achievement Award.
These particular awards recognize 6 groups that worked together to solve complex problems. They completed, for example, an environmental cleanup of the East Tennessee Technology Park in Oak Ridge ahead of schedule and under budget. We love saying that. We need the level of dedication that they've exhibited now more than ever.
We're very thankful and honored to have this outstanding team of DOE and UCOR employees recognized by Secretary Granholm, and their efforts made history and will benefit this community for many years to come.
It really truly is a distinguished recognition that all of you have received, and I couldn't recognize and thank you more for all that you did to get to ultimately what you're being recognized for, which is completing the largest environmental cleanup in the history of this country.
EM and UCOR's progress has transformed the East Tennessee Technology Park from a liability into a community asset as a multi-use industrial hub, national park, and conservation area. A new view of the past is on the horizon for K-25. Originally constructed in 1944, the K-25 building was the largest structure in the world. Its mission was to help end global war by producing uranium for the world's first nuclear weapon. The DOE Oak Ridge Office of Environmental Management has signed an interagency agreement with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to construct the K-25 viewing platform. Cleanup contractor UCOR helped facilitate this agreement. It will be walking distance from the recently opened K-25 History Center and provide visitors a complete view of the building's massive 44-acre footprint. The agreement also includes plans to delineate the footprint of the K-25 building and install 12 exhibits around the edge of the site. Construction will start later this year. It's one of the final pieces of a project commemorating the history of the former Oak Ridge gaseous diffusion plant where the K-25 building was located. Meanwhile, over at the ORNL Bulk Shielding Reactor Building 3010, crews are continuing deactivation activities. They're filling the reactor pool with concrete to stabilize the facility for safe demolition. About 70 truckloads of cement will be needed to fill the 21-foot deep pool. It will be a steady process that happens in stages. Crews are filling the pool at 5-foot increments at a time. This approach allows workers to remove the remaining items from the walls of the pool, perform radiological surveys, and prepare for the next level of concrete. Demolition of the bulk shielding reactor complex is slated for later this year as EM works to remove hazards and enable critical science missions at ORNL. Stay tuned to see the progress we make next month and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter.